Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 10 tips on how to get your first 100 YouTube subscribers. So if you are new to the game, you would know how important hitting 100 subscribers is. Like, it's your first initial milestone. Like, 100 people is a lot. And I don't know about you guys, but when I hit my first 100 subscribers, I felt official. I felt like a YouTuber, and I just felt welcome into the group, so into the community. So yeah, for a lot of you it might be really important, but also the first 100 subscribers is gonna help you because those will be your loyal friends till the end. I feel like till this day I still have a lot of you loyal subscribers that still watch me. I recognize all of your names. Like, we talk on the daily sometimes, some of us, and a few of you I have made really great friendships with. So that being said, we're just gonna go ahead and get right into it. I'm gonna give you 10 quick tips on how to get your first 100 subscribers. So the first tip that I would recommend is to get your schedule together. Like, you really need to be like, this is what I want to do. I want to upload YouTube videos, whether it's for money or not for money, which I recommend you don't do it for money because that gets you nowhere and it ends up being boring and it becomes a job. And yeah, but you need to get committed. Whether it's you want to upload a video once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, every single day, which would help you the most. To be honest, if you really want to get on it, upload every day. People will just see your videos and they'll come back and they'll want more. But if you do that, I do recommend at least 1 video a week. But also, like I said, if you do that, make sure that you stay on it. Like, do what you have to do, pre-record to be able to put those 1 to 2 videos up a week, or the 3 videos up a week. Like, pre-record, get yourself ready. You can start uploading 2 videos or 3 videos a week and people are gonna watch, and then all of a sudden you're gonna get sick or something's gonna happen and you're gonna not be able to do videos for some reason, and people will stop watching and they will go away and they will not subscribe anymore, or they'll unsubscribe. Some of your loyal ones will stick around. I have a lot of loyal ones because we all know Velma I just goes away. But so yeah. For the second tip, I would recommend that you yourself watch other people's videos. I recommend that you get in there and you comment everywhere you can, but also be mindful, guys. Like, I want to say get in there and comment when you feel like you have time to watch videos and you can actually watch them, criticize them, not criticize. Like, you can actually have something to say about their video. Like, don't go onto somebody's makeup channel and be like, I really loved your outfit for the day. You know, like your OOTD when they had no outfit in the video. Like, just make sure you are being correct. Like, don't be one of those scammers, or it's just kind of annoying. Don't be a troll, you know, don't copy paste and ask everybody to come look at your channel, because that's not cute. Take the time. Like, it's gonna take work. If you want to build your channel, it's gonna take work. So nicely go to somebody's channel and say, hey, I really like your channel. You know, like, I really love how your makeup came out. If you actually like their channel, tell them, invite them over to your channel. It's kind of like meeting friends. You know, hey, I really like that. Like, oh, I want it. Like, how do you ask them a question? Like, where did you get that? Or something that's very relevant to their video, and if you like it, and only if you like their channel, because then they can start watching your videos, you could watch theirs, and it is a win for win, and you guys both subscribe to each other, and you make friends and you have a new subscriber. So that's how you can get more subscribers. Number 3 would be to upload videos as to what people are looking for. So if you go to the search engine, YouTube is a huge search engine. So what you want to do is you want to go and type in like how to, and then right now if you did that, you would notice a lot of how to lose weight, because we're in the new year, everybody's trying to lose weight, everybody's uploading all kinds of videos on weight loss. So if you're trying to lose weight or if you're trying to get fit, maybe start with those type of videos, and those, I swear, like, you will get subscribers like no other, because people can find you relatable and they might learn something from you, so therefore they're more likely to subscribe because they want to see videos about losing weight. So that's another way. Number 4 would be to do collabs. Do collab videos with people that are on the same subscriber number as you. Like, say you have say you already have 300 subscribers. Try to reach out to people that have about the same, a little bit more or less, subscribers than you, and you guys can share each other's subscribers, and that way you can collab and y'all can do your favorite makeup products for the week, or you know, whatever, what have you. Any type of video, you guys can just collab and make friends, and then y'all's friends can become her friends, can become your friends, and your friends can become hers, and there, you get more subscribers. Number 5 would just be to do videos that you're passionate about, because when you do something that you're passionate about, people are gonna see out of your videos, like your true self is gonna come out, the way you love things, like everything is just gonna, you're gonna be more noticeable, more likable, and people are gonna wanna share your videos because they can relate to you, or they just think you're very useful. So be honest with yourself, like find yourself first before you want to start your channel, like find out who you wanna be on YouTube, and I think that would get you many more subscribers. So number 6, I would say to kind of try to come up with the trend. It's really hard, but if you are unique and passionate about YouTube, then you could come up with ideas and try to put more videos out there that, like I said, you're passionate about, and you can start up a trend. Like there's so many trends going around. Get very creative with yourself. Look for something that you can do that nobody is doing out there and make it a thing. Like just put out videos and you will see the people like flow in because it's something new to YouTube, and they'll automatically just want to subscribe, and that's a way that you can get subscribers. So number 7 would be put yourself out there. Share on social medias. Like if you are somebody that's like, oh, I just want to do YouTube, I don't want to mess with Twitter, I don't get on Instagram, like I don't get, no, you have to be social. If you're gonna be on YouTube, you need a Snapchat, an Instagram, what else, Twitter, Facebook, whatever. Like you need to get out there, and that is how you're gonna get subscribers. You're gonna have to share your content with other people, and they will eventually find it and see it, and they'll want to go check you out and they'll subscribe. So like I said, you have to put in the work to get subscribers. So number 8, there's so many different ways to get subscribers. You can go and buy subscribers, which is ridiculous. Those subscribers will never come back. They'll visit you one time, you will never see them again. It will make you lose other subscribers that you have already had, so don't do it. Don't fall for that crap. The main thing I say is just do not go sub for sub. That is the worst thing that you could do. It gets you nowhere. It does not get you subscribers. If it does, you know, your views don't match your subscribers. Therefore, it's weird, you know, like people are gonna know that you're subbing for sub. And I think that is like the weirdest thing ever. Like you should never fall for that. Don't do it. It's not worth it. In the end, you're gonna want loyal subscribers, so try to keep that in mind. That is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if these tips helped you out at all, so that I can make more YouTube tip videos for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up because it does help me out a lot. And if you are new here, please welcome and subscribe if you want to watch more content from me. I do upload videos every single Wednesday and Sunday, so stay tuned for more videos from me. Yeah, we will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay, number 9 would be the thumbnail, guys. Your thumbnail is super important. Oh, I feel like I'm, this is kind of like old news from my old video, from my other video, but thumbnail. But you guys know, like if you have a beautiful sparkly thumbnail and it makes super sense and it's fun and creative, then people are gonna click on it, watch it, and subscribe. And number 10 simply isn't a tip, is just the reality of YouTube. Like I have been on YouTube for a very long time, and a lot of people come and are like, oh my god, how do you get so many subscribers, which I have none. But people are like, how do you do it? Like I've been doing this forever and I have no subscribers. Like why? Like why? No guys, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be super hard. You're gonna have to work for it. You're gonna have to work every day if you want to. If you wanna do it, if there's something you're very passionate about, you will get there. You'll do what you want to do. Like look at me. I'm not saying I have a lot of subscribers, but I'm giving myself credit because I came into this new year saying I'm gonna upload every 1 day a week, and right now I'm uploading 2 videos a week, and I'm even doing Valentine's Day week, which is coming. It's gonna be February Heart Week, where I upload 1 video every single day up until the day of Valentine's Day. Like, I give myself a pat on the back. Like consistency, guys, like you really have to put effort into it. I have 2 jobs, I have a kid. Don't give yourself excuses anymore. Like everything is an excuse. I get sick, I want to scream and cry and shout, and I mean at the end of the day, like set up a little corner, film your videos, do them in bulk if you have to, film them all together, film like 10 videos a day and edit them throughout the week and put them up. So yeah, just kinda, it takes consistency, it takes hard work. I cannot say anything else about it. Like, I don't know what else you want me to say, but you really have to put in the work. So if you are motivated, then do it. But yeah, that's it guys. I hope this video wasn't too short, but I really wanted to just help you guys. If I can help you in any way, let me know in the comments down below. What videos do you want from me and what would you like to see from me? Yeah, kind of the same thing I just said. So with that being said, I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!